Now we will start coding our cryptocurrency. So as I told you previously that we have to follow some set of rules so that Ethereum can accept our cryptocurrency as valid. So I have divided the set of rules into parts. So we will do our coding of cryptocurrency step by step. So in first step we have to cover these 4 points. So we have to give name to our cryptocurrency, symbol to our cryptocurrency, the decimal that we are using, the decimal that we will be using for our cryptocurrency, like $1 equal to 75 rupees. So similarly, cryptocurrency also has a like conversion. So 1 Ethereum equal to 1 into 10 to power 18. So similarly, we will also keep our cryptocurrency equivalent to Ethereum decimal so that we can have a conversion later on and we can launch our initial coin offering and as a conversion parameter. So and we will also define a variable, a uint positive variable, so that in this we will keep total supply of our cryptocurrency in it. Like we will be launching 1 million cryptocurrency, so we will be storing that amount in this, and whenever we will be clicking on total supply, then it will show that the total supply is still 1 million. We will be giving a name to our cryptocurrency. So for giving a name we will use keyword string because we are storing character in our in this variable. So just define it as string and give it keyword public so that we can get a get function and we can call and get the name of cryptocurrency, and just give it name, and we will give it name as Dave token. And symbol, coming to symbol, so cryptocurrency has two names. One is the proper name, like I am giving Dave token to it. You can see in the screen that the name of this cryptocurrency that is on Ethereum, it is over sold in billions and trillions, and as this is cryptocurrency, the name of cryptocurrency is Tether USD and the short form of it is USDT. So whenever you and I want to buy some USDT, so we will call it as that. We don't call it as we want some Tether USD. We will call it as USDT as a short form of Tether USD. So we will give a name of our token. So we will give short name of our token as DEV, Dave token. So string, symbol, and public symbol, and we will give name it as DEV, capital DEV, and we will give decimal of our cryptocurrency as 18 because we want to convert it with Ethereum, and just type uint 256, uint 256 for positive integers, and name it as public because we want to get we want to have a get function, and just give it as decimal, and we will store it as 18. Now we will define a variable in which we will keep the total supply, and just give it as public and name it after total supply. Now we will complete the rest of the cryptocurrency in later on part. So till then, bye bye.